welcome back to another video. If you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Gina, and so for today's video, you guys, I am just going to be cleaning up my house. So I have a complete mess everywhere. I'm telling you, my floors need to be cleaned, my dishes need to be washed. So if you are ready for some cleaning motivation, just keep on watching. Also, you guys, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so. And if you do enjoy these type of videos, also don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It helps out my channel so much, you guys, and it also lets me know that you do enjoy these type of videos. So it has been a long minute since I have done a clean with me video here on my channel, and it was long overdue, you guys. I hope that this video does give you motivation to get up and clean. That's why I wanted to add some very pumped up music, so you can just put it on, jam out like crazy, and clean.
Here's what I like: jumping from a roof that is almost too high, laying on the grass, I close my eyes, playing my guitar till my fingers are numb. I always try to let my spirit fly away. That's the only way to get that high. I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need. Then I changed my mind. Maybe we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this heart, then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. If I change the way I change the way I love. Yeah, you know what I've done in the past. Still you say you and I, we can last. I have found new ways, but no, can I be the one that you need? if I change the way I love it? Maybe if I try to fix this, start this. I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. If I change the way I love, mine. Maybe we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need if I change the way I love? Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. 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 All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again, just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. 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 Wanna be with, 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 wanna.
Alright, so in the midst of me cleaning, sorry, I'm out of breath, but I received some of my Amazon goodies, and so while I'm recording, I just want to show you guys what I got. Okay, so whoops. Okay, so first I ordered this sight word book. This is for my son. Since we are doing personal homeschool, I do get a lot of their things on Amazon. I have so many things, you guys, that and what I use in order to teach him that he's in kinder and my daughter that is in sixth grade. So I mean, if you would ever want me to do like a video where I show all of the Amazon products that I use in order to help them, and how we do it to get through a day of homeschool, let me know and I can definitely do a video on that. So I got that, and then what is this? I don't even know what the heck this is. Ew, I think this is the, yes. So during the Prime Day, I hope you guys took advantage of that. But during Prime Day, I did order me the 8-inch tablet. I won't say her name because I'm gonna activate her, but I currently have the, if you see her over there, let me see if I can do it right there. That one right there. That one. So that is the 5-inch one, and then during Prime Day they had a really good deal. This one, it was on sale for like 60 bucks or something like that, and so I decided to might as well just get the big one. It's a really good size. I'm gonna put that other one in my room, and I think I'm just gonna leave this one here in the kitchen. I'm so happy and excited that I did get the big one. Whenever I got the other one, you guys, I didn't even realize that I got the small one, but I think the small one, I got it for like $40-something. I will go ahead and link both of them down below in the description box for anybody that wants to get your hands on them. I was currently like in the process of upgrading the home to be like a little bit more smart. So yeah, so I guess I'm gonna be doing this one today. And let me see what I got in the other box. Goes there. I did get was this 3-minute gratitude journal, and this is just a gratitude journal that I got for my daughter since she is a little bit older. That way before we start school and stuff, you know, she can sit down and write what she's grateful for, and just kind of, I want to start teaching her. I want to be able to teach her things like, what are you grateful for? How can you help others? Like different things like that. I don't just want her to be like, give me, give me, give me. Like I want her to understand that, you know, everything that she has is through the grace of God, and of course because her daddy works unstoppable to be able to provide for us, for her, and for her to have what she has. So I want her to learn, and also my son, when he gets into that age where he can also learn, you know, and have common sense of everything that you have, you need to be grateful for it. You need to, you know, not just be like, give me more, or I want this, or I want that. Like I want them to really understand what it takes, you know, to be able to have what you have in life, and you know that it doesn't come easy. So that is this little book, and hopefully it kind of helps her. But yeah, enough of my rambling. Let's get back to cleaning.
We've had this conversation and you seem to agree with me, but when there's complications you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem you become like a wall, and every time I trip it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you?
does conclude this video. I want to thank you all for being here and watching it. Like I said, if you are not yet subscribed, make sure you do so. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!